How to upload TikTok video with music from PC. Open TikTok, then you can see the upload option. Press on upload, select your video from your gallery, suppose this one, and you have to wait couple of seconds to complete the downloading process. So once complete, you can choose your title. For example, I am selecting this as description. Then you can see the edit video. Press on edit video. Now here you can see the suppose I want to search cyber city. Then you can see lots of music. So choose which one you want to add. Suppose this one, then press on use, and once done, press on save edit. Now choose your thumbnail. Suppose I want to choose this thumbnail, this one. Press on confirm. Now you have to select post. Press on post. Now it's processing. So now go back to your profile. Then you can see video is published with audio. So that's it. Thank you.